Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel उत्कृष्ट शिक्षा। आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हामी जनरल नलेजको MCQs गर्नेछौँ। If you are new to our channel, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's start with question number 1. Raniganj of West Bengal is famous for dash. पश्चिम बङ्गालको रानीगञ्ज केका लागि प्रसिद्ध छ? The answer is option number B, coal mines, कोइला खानी. Question number 2. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a dash. भारतको नियन्त्रक र महालेखा परीक्षक एक dash हो. The answer is option number C, single member body, एकल सदस्य निकाय. Question number 3. Panchmari Biosphere Reserve is located in. Panchmari Biosphere Reserve कहाँ अवस्थित छ? The answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 4. National Human Rights Commission of India is a dash. भारतको राष्ट्रिय मानव अधिकार आयोग dash हो. The answer is option number B, statutory body, वैधानिक निकाय. Question number 5. To which theory of conservation is related the first law of thermodynamics? Thermodynamics को पहिलो नियम संरक्षणको कुन सिद्धान्तसँग सम्बन्धित छ? The answer is option number D, energy. Question number 6. Which of the following acid is found in nettle plant? सिस्नु बिरुवामा तलका मध्ये कुन एसिड पाइन्छ? The answer is option number A, methanoic acid. Question number 7. Who among the following was the first Indian musician to receive the Raymond Magsaysay Award? तलका मध्ये रेमन म्याग्सेसे पुरस्कार प्राप्त गर्ने पहिलो भारतीय सङ्गीतकार को थिए? The answer is option number C, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Question number 8. Which among the following is known as the Economic Constitution of India? तलका मध्ये कुनलाई भारतको आर्थिक संविधान भनिन्छ? The answer is option number D, Industrial Policy of 1956. Question number 9. Worldly painting is a style of tribal art created by the people of the Worldly tribe of. वर्ली चित्रकला कहाँको वर्ली जनजातिद्वारा बनाइएको आदिवासी कला एक शैली हो? The answer is option number C, Maharashtra. Question number 10. Fat is completely digested in the dash. बोसो ड्याशमा पूर्ण रूपमा पचिन्छ. The answer is option number C, small intestine, सानो आन्द्रा. Question number 11. Who is regarded as the father of the atomic bomb? परमाणु बमको पिता भनेर कसलाई भनिन्छ? The answer is option number D, J. Robert Oppenheimer. Question number 12. Who among the following was the last Peshwa of the Maratha Empire? तलका मध्ये मराठा साम्राज्यको अन्तिम पेशवा को थिए? The answer is option number A, Bajirao II. Question number 13. Through which treaty did the Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end? दोस्रो एङ्ग्लो-मैसूर युद्ध कुन सन्धिद्वारा समाप्त भयो? The answer is option number B, Treaty of Mangalore. Question number 14. Which of the following is a metro type network? निम्नमध्ये कुन मेट्रो प्रकारको नेटवर्क हो? The answer is option number B, MAN. Question number 15. Who was known as the liberator of the press? प्रेस मुक्तिदाता भनेर कसलाई चिनिन्छ? The answer is option number D, Metcalfe. Question number 16. Who among the following established the राष्ट्रकूटा किङडम? राष्ट्रकूट राज्यको स्थापना निम्नमध्ये कसले गरेका हुन्? The answer is option number D, Danti Durga. Question number 17. Halley's Comet appears once in approximately how many years? हेलीको धूमकेतु लगभग कति वर्षमा एक पटक देखा पर्छ? The answer is option number B, 76. Question number 18. Which new toll collection system did Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari announce in 2024? 2024मा केन्द्रीय यातायात मन्त्री नितिन गडकरीले कुन नयाँ टोल सङ्कलन प्रणालीको घोषणा गरे? The answer is option number D, satellite based. Question number 19. Where in India is the first indigenously built atomic power plant located? भारतमा पहिलो स्वदेशी निर्मित आणविक ऊर्जा केन्द्र कहाँ छ? The answer is option number C, कल्पक्कम. आजको अन्तिम प्रश्न. Which is the highest gallantry award in wartime? युद्धकालको सर्वोच्च वीरता पुरस्कार कुन हो? The answer is option number B, परमवीर चक्र. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends to whom it will be useful.